you ready to take control of your life? If you know that you are overwhelmed perhaps with the many competing demands on your time, or perhaps you're going over and over the same question and you can't seem to get a clear answer, or you may even be feeling you're spinning out of control with so many things going on at once, or you're perhaps confused about a really important decision and you just can't seem to get an answer, or you may be lacking direction and focus. You may be just feeling really, really stuck and you want to make a transition and move forward. If any of those things was true for you, this workshop is for you. I want to help you get clarity on your priorities, and you can do that today with this powerful video workshop called What's Important to Me Now. Now, I developed this because as a life and career transitions coach, one of the questions I will ask my clients is, what's really important to you? And do you know, I was surprised how many times people could not tell me. They were not clear on their priorities for this phase of their life. So I developed a workshop and I've delivered it to hundreds of people here in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, where I'm fortunate enough to live. However, I realized how valuable this could be for other people. So I developed a video version of this workshop which anyone, anywhere in the world can access. And that's what's important to me now will do. It's actually like inviting me into your home for a private workshop at a time that's convenient for you, and you'll get exactly the same results as the people who attended my live workshop. After completing this workshop, you're going to have clarity on your top priorities for this stage of your life. With clarity on your priorities, you can evaluate what activities you wish to cut back on. You can choose to spend your time on things that matter to you. You can set boundaries when other people project their needs onto you. You can start to live a life that's aligned to what's most important to you. So here's one couple's experience with this workshop. And I'm really grateful for Gwen and Rick Lariviere for sharing their experience and allowing me to share it with you. They said completing the What's Important to Me Now workshop was very eye-opening. This is Gwen talking. She said it helped me to get to know myself with more clarity and identify my top priorities for this phase of my life. Beyond what she learned about her own priorities, she said it was enlightening for her husband and her to go through their own results and discover what was meaningful for each other. So they each took the workshop separately and then they shared the results. They said that we are grateful to have access to such a useful workshop while living in Central America. And you can experience this workshop wherever you happen to be in the world. So, are you ready to get clarity on your priorities? Invest in yourself and start to take control of your life today with the What's Important to Me Now video workshop. There has never been a better time than right now to start to make the rest of your life the best of your life.